Joe Biden's Department of Labor is worried about how crypto will affect 401k plans. In the news of March 11th, the United States Department of Labor warned to oversee everything with immense care before even considering adding cryptocurrency as an investment option in the 401k plans. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Altcoin Capital. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today, we will talk about why the United States Department of Labor is worried about the involvement of crypto in 401k plans. So, without any further delay, let's get started. You might already have an idea of what the Department of Labor and 401k plans are, but still, let me give you a brief overview. So basically, a 401k is an investing and retirement savings plan that employers offer. The plan offers a tax break to the employees on every penny they contribute. These contributions are withdrawn on an automatic basis from employee paychecks and invested in funds of the employee's choosing from the available offers. So that was the basic idea of what a 401k plan is. Now, let us have a quick overview of what the Department of Labor is. The Department of Labor works on the improvement of the working conditions for the employees and, overall, it looks after the labor market. Its main aim is to create employment opportunities, protect retirement, and healthcare benefits for the employees. So, why is the Labor Department worried about the involvement of crypto in 401k plans? I'll explain everything. Now that everyone is investing into crypto, I think the debate of crypto being a scam is over. No doubt that crypto is the future. It's popular and everything. But there is still a huge demand of uncertainty about how the market will develop. And this uncertainty will always be there. Majorly, due to this reason, the Department of Labor has shown its concerns over the involvement of crypto in the savings of people who have retired after working very hard their whole lives. Financial regulators of the world are united on introducing the central bank digital currency concept. The thought of a cashless era makes the investment of cryptocurrencies very easy to digest. And according to the experts, due to the exponential growth in the influence of cryptocurrencies among common people, if you are late in this trend, you might miss out on some huge profits. But we are talking about the money of a whole lifetime here. The money on which the people rely on after their retirement. They can't afford to lose it. They can't afford to take such a huge risk in the greed of huge profits. What if things don't work out as planned? And along the line, it might not actually be wrong to involve crypto in 401k plans. But the approach being adopted is the real question. I mean, it's just too soon to involve crypto in these plans. Maybe the ones who have the decision-making power on behalf of individual retired investors should be more concerned about how to encourage investment in cryptocurrencies. Naturally, the assets held in 401k plans have everything covered. These assets are essential to financial security in old age, to cover living expenses, medical bills, you name it. Due to this reason, they should be carefully protected and shouldn't be played around with the policies which have uncertainty in it, like the cryptocurrencies itself. Well, do digital assets have a place in a retirement plan? Stay till the end of the video to find out. So now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between a normal investment and a crypto investment? I mean, why is there such a huge risk in crypto? Well, the straightforward and the most obvious challenge is to educate people about cryptocurrency. As every one of you might have realized by now, cryptocurrencies are considerably different from traditional retirement plan investments, and evaluating these assets and separating the truth from the hype may be extremely challenging, even for experienced investors. There are complications with record keeping in crypto as well. Cryptocurrencies are not held in regular accounts like we are typically and traditionally used to. Their record is kept as lines of computer code in a digital wallet. The most worrying issue with the record being kept as a line of a computer code is that you can lose an asset forever for just forgetting your password and failing to recover it. Other methods of holding cryptocurrencies can be vulnerable to hackers and theft. If you have made it till here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on daily updates. Another question one might ask is about the interest in cryptocurrencies. Well, by now, retirement plans do not have any clients offering direct investments in cryptocurrencies. However, some investors are unsure whether they should, as digital assets, particularly Bitcoin, are rapidly being viewed as a genuine asset class for long-term investing by retired investors. The sponsors of different plans, like the 401k plans, seem to have a growing interest in providing access to their employees to digital assets in defined contribution plans. No doubt, cryptocurrencies can be a ticket to a filthy rich life, but for the 401k plans, risk is not negligible, though crypto promoters are very persuasive. As Matt Damon said in the commercial, "Fortune favors the brave." Obviously, someone who can risk all the hard-earned money is a brave man. But what if the odds are not in his favor and he doesn't get the profit? He can't make all that amount of money again at his age. So, will it be wise to take such a risk? Well, digital assets might have a place in retirement plans, but not anytime soon. According to the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, companies have to be extremely cautious in the investment options of their workers. Even if employees are asking for a crypto option, it may not be in their best interest. They don't know it yet, but the companies should know that this is their retirement money and people have to live on this after their retirements. I know that there are attractive aspects of crypto like getting rich quick, but it is not wise to put it all on the line at this moment in time for the employees. Maybe in the future that will be different. There should be more research and more backup plans for investors before companies offer cryptocurrencies. Talking of research, let me tell you about research. In 2020, in a research of Statista and Transamerica Institute, it was revealed that 52% of United States employers offered employee-funded plans, while 17% offered employer-funded plans. And the sad part is that 41% offered no retirement savings plan at all. I mean, you be the judge. For those 41% people who don't even know what they're going to do after their retirement, will it not be bad if we indulge their money in such a high-risk plan? And what if things don't go in their favor? Who will be responsible for their loss? Do the 401k plans have a backup strategy? I think not. On the brighter side, crypto can be a very good choice for retirement plans. Inflation is arguably decreasing, due to which it is expected of the Labor Department that they will review their ideas on cryptocurrencies. Things might take a turnover, and the Labor Department might start recommending the use of cryptocurrencies in the retirement plans due to the volatility of cryptocurrencies and its ease because of its limited supply, which makes it very vulnerable than the US dollar and stocks to inflation. There might be a time when no exposure to the asset could work against the investors. Well, who knows? The way cryptocurrencies are rising, this might be a possibility. But as of now, this is a huge risk. According to me, the Labor Department's release was a much needed lecture about this highly risky and volatile investment option in retirement plans. To sum it up, people can invest and get richer or not get rich through crypto, but it should be outside of their 401k plan. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section about what you think about the effects of crypto in 401k plans. Do subscribe to the channel, and to get the latest updates, you need to smash that bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.